welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye makeup look and it's going to be a review. So the product I'm reviewing today is the 35B ColorBurst Morphe palette, and I just got it the other day. So if you're interested in watching this video, continue to watch and be a part of the MB Club.
That we're meant to be, but jealousy get the best of me. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes. Yeah, always make the same mistakes, cause
okay, you guys, so let's talk about price range. So this Morphe palette, I believe, is $23 before shipping and handling plus tax. After tax, it was about $28, close to $30. And this is the front of the box, and this is the back of the box. So it came.
Got it! Got it!
This single palette, and so I'm going to be doing a review today. So this is what it looks like. You just take it out of the bubble wrap, and this is the front of the palette, and this is the back of the palette. It just shows you like where it's made from, the distributor. It has the @Morphe on Instagram. It has the Morphe tag, which is Morphe Babe, and their website. If you ever bought a Morphe palette, or this is your first time and you want to know like what the palette name is always going to be right here on the bottom left hand side. So now let's open the palette up. So this is what the palette looks like when you first open the palette up. It comes with all types of colors. I've yet to do swatches on this, and I've had it for about a week now. So this does not come with a mirror, nor does it have any names for the eyeshadows for this specific palette. Oh my god. You guys don't even, I don't know what just happened to me. So I'm going to swatch a couple of colors, and I'm going to pick all sorts. I'm going to pick one blue, one purple, one green, one pink, and a yellow color. I think that's like the primary colors. So I'm going to be taking this blue right here, and I'm going to swatch that. That's the swatch for that. I thought it would be way more pigmented than that, but I mean, I don't know how I'm feeling about this so far. Ooh, they're really creamy, like when you swatch them. This is this green eyeshadow right here, and that's the swatch. I'm gonna do a purple. I'm going to do this purple right here. Ooh, look how pretty that looks. I'm going to do this. Whoa! Yo! I don't know if you guys see that, but look at that swatch. Like, that was the best, and it's still on my hand. That was the best shade that I swatched so far, like, by far. I'm going to do, like, this hot pink right here. That's what it looks like on my finger. Swatch. That's the swatch right there, and I'm going to do yellow. This is the swatch. That's the swatch. So the first thing I noticed with this palette is it's kind of chalky. I don't want to say that because like this is my first time trying Morphe, but when I've used like cheaper eyeshadows such as Hush or just like that's what I've been sticking with, the pigment is crazy, and it shows like way brighter than these colors right here. So if I was to swatch a blue like this, it would stay true to its color. It would still be vibrant like that. But instead, I'm getting like this chalky, patchy type of, you know, swatch. I mean, I really don't want to say anything bad about Morphe because I've been dying to get a Morphe palette, like dying. So I'm going to, true test is going to be on my eyes. So let's get started with that. Alright, you guys, so let's see what we have here. So today I'm going to be using the AOA Perfect Studio eyeshadow primer. And this is when I did my Shot Miss A. So, I forgot my mirror. I'm about to be right back, y'all. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So I got my handed down the mirror I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all. Save y'all coins. So I'm going to be using this AOA Studio Perfect eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to use it to prime my lids. I have my base on already, if you guys didn't notice. And so far I've been liking this primer. Okay. And I already know what type of color scheme I want to do. This is going to be inspired by It's Bambi Little Respect video. She had like this cute green and blue wig that I really enjoyed. So I'm going to go off with that. So I'm probably going to be using like the blue I swatched or like the green. So we're going to see. I'm going to play with these colors and we're going to get right into this. So what do I want to use first? I'm so scared, like I don't know what I want to use. So alright, I'm going to be going into the green that I used and I swatched. And I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. First, I'm going to put down the base though. And I'm going to be using this color right here as my base to set that primer down. Oh, okay. So now, this is crazy. On the skin, the eyeshadows come out way more pigmented than it did when I swatched. So never judge a book by its cover. And I'm not too sure. So yeah, it's good. I'm going to go in with this green, like I said, as my transition shade. I'm going to just tap into that. And I'm going to blend this out. If you know me, I'm not really like a fan of colors when it comes to my makeup. The only time I really like, you know, go in with color is when I'm on my YouTube channel, which is crazy. I like to experiment with you guys. I don't like to go in with the basic colors. So I'm just gonna blend this baby out. And I'm gonna just do one eyeshadow on camera, then do the other one off camera. So we're just gonna focus on this one eye for this tutorial and this makeup review. So far, everything is blending out seamlessly. The only thing I noticed is I've had to go in my pan a couple of times to actually get the color that I wanted off of this. Okay, that's pretty. I like that. That's really pretty. I like how this is coming out so far. Next, I'm gonna go in with this darker, like emerald green. And I'm going to use like a thinner eyeshadow brush. This is RK by Kiss. And I'm going to just pack that color in on my crease. Just to give it, you know, some more depth. This is so pretty, you guys. Like, I like how the shadows is blending. I just like how the shadows is coming together. And it's just really pretty. Now I'm going to be using that same like forest green or emerald green. And I'm going to bring it down on my waterline. And I'm going to be taking the lighter green and I'm going to be putting it in the front of it so I can have two colors down there. Okay, like that. And I've noticed there's no fallout on my under eye, none whatsoever. So I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. I'm digging this palette. Next, I'm going to go in with this shimmer blue right here, and I'm going to put that on my crease. Ooh, this is like so pretty. Like so pretty. Wow. I'm so sorry, you guys. My camera completely shut off, but I finished everything off camera because I didn't know that my camera shut off. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed my review on Morphe. So the ending result is I love this ColorBurst palette. The swatches wasn't all that good, but on the skin with primer and everything, it just really works, and I really loved it. And so, like I said, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, continue to be a part of this NB Club journey. And I hope you guys continue to watch my YouTube channel. So, without further ado, this video is closed. So, bye you guys.
That we're meant to be. But jealousy get the best of me.